street vibes. Why don't you come with me? Your wife left you. Why don't you come hang out for a little while? I know a lot of girls that like to hang out with you.
Maureen came back.
Did she really? Congratulations. She the people you least expected? It studs. The man is a stud. We ain't even know it. All this time, swinging. We ain't even know it. She couldn't live without you, right?
Now her mother didn't have cable TV. Don't think it was
The
your mother's
rainbow.
cable TV. It was your cable that turned it back.
You're dancing.
Come on. Thanks a lot, Axel.
Glasses for me. They can't see it.
Yeah. Why don't you take care of my uncle's house till he gets back?
Hey, Axel. That's not really your uncle's house, is it?
Oh, yeah.
What's that? That's cute. Are these your stickers? Oh, these are cute.
She has the Melody, but the one that has the little
Is this
push
number
star one
two?
is mine in the car. But she has the Melody and
Oh, big mama. Yeah. I can't do him. Mama, you want?
He's funny.
No, really.
I thought it was rainbow.
But you still like watching Martin?
That was different. That was a 30-minute series.
That's all you can handle for 30 minutes?
Yeah. Don't tell me you pooped in again.
I wouldn't put it past her. My mom said she tried to go to Target this morning in San Ramon and that it was closed off with police tape and the coroner's van showed up.
Ooh. Somebody dead up in here? Ew.
So she was trying to get these diapers that they only sell at like certain Targets that are like, you know, chlorine. I don't know, this helps her with her rash or whatever. I we ran out of them. And so I told her to go get some stuff for us and she said it was closed.
Go to Target. They made some money this morning.
That's a bougie. That's probably the nicest Target I've been to. That's, you know, that area too.
Throw that piece of crap in there. And shut up, you old fool.
10,000. On, Bugeye.
Take that back.
Ready?